This video is to walk you through how to order your Kangen water machine supplies. You're going to start off by going to their website, which is enagic.com. Go to your store tab on the very top. You're going to go down to your accessories. If you are a registered distributor for Enagic, you will select yes on this question. If you are not, you will select no. And then you will select your country. We're going to select US. This will take you to the store section where you can select your supplies. You could either click on it from here, or you could also select the supplies tab at the very top. We're going to be going to supplies for cleaning and maintenance for this one. And here you will see your items. For the K8 machine, which is the white Kangen machine, you will select this cleaning powder right here for your e-cleaning. So you want to add that to your cart. And you will have your cart, your shopping cart here ready. Here you will see your e-cleaning powder, and you will proceed to check out. You will fill in your email that you use to purchase your Kangen machine and your name and address, and then you will select next. And then you will continue the checkout process to place your order.